Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Eclipse Vox Keyless License Installation, I'm going to show you how you can install your license for Eclipse Vox. This is a necessary step in order to use the software. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. Now that Eclipse is installed, I'll need to install my keyless license in order to use the software. Your keyless license is emailed to you when you sign up for Eclipse or upon request. So I'm going to open my email, and I see that I have an email here from keys@connect.eclipsecat.com, and the subject of the email is Eclipse license file. If I click on the email, it says, "Attached is your Eclipse license file." This file is required to run your Eclipse program keylessly. It is your remote key for Eclipse. Please keep a copy of this email and the enclosed attachment somewhere secure and easily remembered, such as your important documents folder, as the license file will be necessary to run Eclipse on any computer. And it includes instructions that I should save the eclipse.lic attachment to my desktop and then run Eclipse to install it. And, as promised, the eclipse.lic file is attached. And as instructed, I'm going to mark this email as important, and when I'm done with it, I'm going to make sure that I organize it into a folder or with a label that will make it easier for me to find in the future. I'm going to hover over the attachment and click Download, and my web browser is configured to allow me to choose where to save files. Yours may automatically put your license file in the Downloads folder. If that's the case, you'll need to copy and paste it to your desktop. I'm going to select Desktop and click Save. And if I look at my desktop, I see that I now have my Eclipse icon as well as my eclipse.lic. In order to install the license, I'll need to open Eclipse, but I want to make sure that the license file itself is simply called eclipse.lic without any parentheses or numbers, and that it is the file itself and not a shortcut. Once I verified that, I'm going to double-click Eclipse to open it. And it notifies me that it has found the license on the desktop and asks if I wish to install and activate the license. I'm going to click Yes. And now I'm prompted to create a user. If I already had Eclipse users, I would be able to simply select an existing user and press OK. I'm going to choose to create a new user, and I'm going to type in my first name and my last name. I'll click Next, and it gives me the opportunity to choose a short name. The short name is the name by which Eclipse will know me. This will be the name of my user, the name of my dictionaries, and the name of my spelling files. You can choose any short name that you'd like, either from the list or by choosing I will provide a short name. I'm going to choose my first name from the list and click Next. Now I'm given the opportunity to choose my default recording device. I'm going to choose a device that I wish to use for now, but this can be customized further later, and we'll cover this configuration in future videos. I'll press OK, and Eclipse is loaded with the default voice writing settings, including toolbars for voice writing with Dragon. I can check the status of my license by going to Support, About Eclipse, and I see that my license is activated, my authorization is T for Translate, and my Eclipse version is also listed here. Now that my license is installed and my first user has been configured, I'm ready to begin customizing and using the software, which we'll cover in future videos in this series. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support is available anytime with any question by phone at 772-288-3266. For less urgent matters, please email us at support@eclipsecat.com. Click the links on screen to learn more about Eclipse or Advantage software. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a great day.